iPhones have always had better graphics performance among all smartphones for many years now. That trend was broken a few months ago by phones powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip. The Adreno 740 GPU in Qualcomm's latest chipset is faster than in the Apple S16 Bionic. Since all Galaxy S23 units use this chip globally, Samsung users can say for the first time that their phone has better graphics performance than the latest iPhone. If the latest news is to be believed, this trend might continue next year with the Galaxy S24. According to a new report from China, Qualcomm's next flagship chipset, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, will have a 50% faster GPU than the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Although there is no official information about the GPU's name, it will most likely be called the Adreno 750. Considering that the Adreno 740 is already a lot faster than Apple S16 Bionic's GPU, it is highly unlikely that the Apple S17's GPU will catch up with its Qualcomm rival. Like with the Galaxy S23, Samsung is expected to equip all Galaxy S24 series devices with a Qualcomm chipset. That means the GPU in the Galaxy S24 series will most likely be faster than the iPhone 15 with the S17 chip. In fact, the Galaxy version of the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, which might have better graphics processing chops, putting the Galaxy S24 much ahead of the iPhone 15. However, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 will reportedly lag behind the Apple S17 in CPU performance. That being said, the CPU performance of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 is already fast enough for most people, so it should suffice for most power users. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 will debut before the end of this year, and you can expect to see it in action in devices from Motorola and Xiaomi first, which are expected to launch by December 2023. Therefore, Galaxy version of the chipset might debut with the launch of concludes today's update. I hope you found the information useful. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing to the channel. I would love to hear your thoughts on this topic, so please leave your comments in the section below. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.